Hi, good afternoon. My name is Cecil C from singaporestudent.com. Today is the 7th of May 2012. The topic I would like to cover today is about mole calculation. The previous lesson is about how to convert between different units from volume or concentration into mole. Now we are going to learn how to calculate the amount of one substance by knowing the amount of substance of another substance. So to explain, I already prepared one example of a question, and I also prepare a simple pattern for you to calculate in such a way that you can get to the answer easily. The question is about a combustion reaction, and we are going to use the pattern to solve for this. So let's start with reading the question first. 2.8 gram of pentene, which is C5H10, is burned in excess oxygen to produce CO2 and H2O. The first question is question number 1. What is the minimum volume of oxygen needed at room temperature and pressure? Question number 2 is they ask you to calculate the volume of CO2 gas produced at room temperature and pressure. So the product are one of the product is gas, and also oxygen is also a gas. So later we are going to use formula number 3, if you remember. So volume of gas is mole times 3040 m³. Then on my pattern here we have 3 blue boxes. So basically what we do is we standardize the blue boxes. The unit inside here is going to be mole, and other information, other amount of substance expressed in other units will be in, we are going to put it in green boxes. So if we check the question, there's only one information about the amount of substance, which is the mass of pentene, which is C5H10. So we have only one information there, and we are going to put it under the pentene in the balance equation. So that 2.8 gram is the mass of pentene. We are going to put it in the, we are putting it in the green box because it's not in moles. The strategy that we are using is we convert everything into moles, and later we are going to put it back into other units. So, and the moles will be connected with each other. They have a certain ratio. You are going to follow the mole ratio in the equation. So first of all is pentene C5H10, and to calculate the mole of C5H10 we need to apply formula number 1. Mole equals to mass times mR. No, mole equals to mass over mR, then we must calculate the mR. 5 times 12 plus 10, you're going to get 17. And if you calculate 2.8 divided by 17, you're going to get 0.04 moles. Once you know one of the mole there, once you know one of them, it's easy to calculate the rest, because we are going to follow the mole ratio. We are going to follow the mole ratio. Now, why do we have 3 boxes here? We need to use 1 box for C5H10 because the information given is in for C5H10. We need 1 box for oxygen because question number 1 asks for the volume of oxygen. We need 1 box for carbon dioxide because the question asks for the volume of carbon dioxide. So very simple. The ratio is 2:15. So you're going to multiply by 15/2. So 15/2 times 0.04. You're going to get 0.30 mole. And you can apply the ratio also. 2:15:10, so it's 5 times. The mole of carbon dioxide will be 5 times the mole of pentene, so it's going to be 0.40 mole. The rest is easy. Question number 1 asks the volume of oxygen, so we are going to apply formula number 3. Volume of gas equals to moles times 24, so you multiply by 24, so 0.3 times 24 will be 7.2 dm cube at room temperature and pressure, of course. Similarly, for question number 2, we need to answer the volume of CO2 at RTP, so multiply by 20. So we managed to answer both questions. Answer for question 1 is 7.2 dm cube. Answer for question 2 is 9.6 dm cube. To revise, what we need to do if you encounter this type of Mol calculation question, we prepare the boxes for the number of moles of substances. If information is given for a certain substance, then you need to prepare 1 box. If the question asks for a certain substance, then you must prepare the other boxes also. And for every blue box, you need 1 green box for other units. Then you must use formula, either formula number 1, 2, 3, or 4 to calculate the mole, and vice versa. So that's how we can answer this type of Mol calculation question. If you still have difficulty, you can come to my trial classes every Saturday, and you can contact me at 90885633. So remember, chemistry is very easy. My grandma can do it. See you.